Hey guys, Nick here from Everything Electronic, and today I want to show you my new version of my self-balancing robot. Okay, so let's plug it in and see it run. So it is now balancing. If I give it a little push, it will continue to balance. Now, the wiggle and jitter that it has is from the fact that I have not tuned it quite right. And also these dowel rods are vibrating, and that's causing it to not be as stable. So when I add another platform like one of these to the top, it will help with that. I plan on adding mapping sensors and an Nvidia Jetson Nano so that I can map its surroundings and also tell it where to go, and then have it be able to find its position and navigate to its target location. I want this to be able to do simple tasks like delivering items. Okay, so let's see how this thing works. It starts by finding its position with this little tiny sensor. That sensor sends all the data to the Arduino to calculate its position. When the Arduino calculates the sensor's position, it says, if I am tipping, run the motors faster to keep me in an upright position. When it wants to run the motors, it has to send the code to stepper motor controllers, which then run the motors. The stepper motor drivers then send pulses to the motors to run the wheels. Right now, the only other board that I have is a Raspberry Pi 3, which is running Xbox controller data so that I can get the position of the sticks and buttons on an Xbox controller, and then it will send the data over I2C to the Arduino. One thing I added to this robot to make it easier to use is a control panel, which has the motor's power, the fan's power, speaker power, and much more stuff. It also has a jack for the power to run for the robot. So this robot is far from complete. It still has a lot of work to be done, but it is already starting to look like it is supposed to be in its final design. I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, and if you really liked it, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.